Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. We got a little spooky, creepy one for you today. I did do Coraline and the other mother a few days ago, but you know, I've never actually tried doing Wybie. So I decided, I don't know, let's try it. This month is like just trying new things and stuff, so I really hope you guys like this one, and if you want to see me do Wybie and his creepy little smile, then just keep watching. And before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications because you don't want to miss any of the 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN, and we have a lot more still coming, so let's just jump into it. Right, first things first, we really needed to glue down the eyebrows for this one, especially because Wybie has this like little tiny sad eyebrows and mine are massive, so we gotta cover them up. And since we're not covering them with paint, I did need to cover up like the darkness of them, so I'm using like an orange or peach color. You can use whatever. Just covering up the darkness, it cancels it out, so once you cover that with some powder and then put concealer on top, it covers it a lot easier. And make sure you powder it a lot. Just setting some foundation, covering the lips because we are just going to be covering that. And I'm using the buttons just to see where I need to put the eyebrows. And then you see how like small and sad they are. So I'm just using like an eyeliner right now to map out the mouth. I just find it a lot easier. And I'm just using a shadow to kind of create the illusion that there is like the pulled back skin and everything. Just shading the cheeks and then shading under the brows just to create the illusion, the depth and stuff. Just using a darker shade to create some more depth. This whole look is really just shading the mouth and making it seem like it's pulled open. Trying to create his lip with a little peach color. And then painting in the gums because he's gonna have some weird teeth coming up. And he has like some pointy, weird, gross teeth, so just really doing like super random. They don't have to be cute or even or anything. Then I'm using a white cream paint to kind of highlight the cheeks just so it looks like my cheeks are kind of raised up a little bit. So just darkening it a little more, and then my favorite part actually was doing these little clips. I did do some on the bottom, but I decided later to not use those, so you'll see them disappear in a little bit. And then just highlighting around the mouth to further that depth. Just filling it around the teeth with black. Creating even more depth, just darkening under the lips, so everything inside the mouth is going to be dark, everything outside of the mouth is going to be light. Just creating his little button nose there, and then fixing the brows up a little bit because they were kind of janky. I'm using some Mehron Spirit Gum. I'm going to glue those buttons to my face, not to my eyes, but to my brow bone. And I did make these buttons out of like the Model Magic clay from Crayola. There it is! So this one's like not too tough, you know, it was just that, and then the buttons kind of take over the rest. And then I was like, he's not spooky enough, so I added some blood at the end. Yeah, I really hope you guys like this one. This character was really fun to do. I've been wanting to do this character for so long, so I'm really glad I finally tried it out. And if you did like it, please give this video a like. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications. And if you want to see the picture of this and a bunch of my other FLUTIEWEEN looks, then check out my Instagram. I have the creepy Wybie video, I have Coraline videos, other mother videos. I also have a video of how I did the button eyes on my TikTok, so you should really check that out. Also, thank you guys so much for 900 subscribers. I honestly didn't think I would even get to that point. I have been doing YouTube for a while, but not really trying too hard on it. So you guys, it really means a lot to me, and seeing all your comments just really makes my day. Tomorrow we have a fun one. It's gonna be kind of like special effects, beauty, like a bunch of things mixed together. So Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.